Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of the Glossybox for the month June. And yes, I know I'm late. My postman kindly given me this box very late. So here I am. So if you're curious in what you're going to find in the June Glossybox, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you're new here, hello. My name is Andrea. I'm doing unboxings, reviews, and all kind of videos related to the makeup community, makeup products, tutorials, and that kind of jazz. So if you are interested in this area of YouTube and the beauty community, and you're also enjoying watching me being as cringe as usual, because that is myself, then I would kindly suggest subscribing down below. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And as I said kindly in the intro and also in the title down below, we are going to do the unboxing of the month June of the Glossybox. So I am expecting this to be something like really tropical and very summery situation. So we are going to go right in, do the unboxing and see what's inside. This is the leaflet, which will kindly tell us that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So I'm excited to jump right into this. Yay! So these are the insides of the box, and as you can see we have 5 products in here, and I would quickly go one by one to present you what it is inside. Okay, so we are going to start with the first product, which I think is the base of the theme of this month because it has the same kind of packaging, and also it's called Aloha. So this is the Aloha bronzer, and this is from the brand called Give Them Lala Beauty. And this bronzer retails for $19.80. A bit expensive, I would say so. It goes more on the high-end prices rather than the drugstore ones, but we'll see. Depends very much on the quality. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a matte packaging with white writing, very simple, very chic. However, this just jiggles around and it drives me insane. But hey, here I am. Let's just do a little bit of a swatch, and I can feel from straight away that this is very creamy indeed. So let's do some sort of swatching right here. Yeah, so it's a very nice tone. It's very warm and nice, and it feels like it's going to blend into your skin very nicely, which we can all say thank you for it, and it is really creamy. Next thing we have is the Jecca Blac Glow Drops, which looks like this. This seems to be a glow drop primer according to the leaflet, and these retail for £16. I have to say this looks really cute. Like, I'm expecting this to smell bomb for some reason. I'm going to take a little bit, but this seems more of okay, so this seems like a liquid highlighter straight there, but if they say this is a luminous primer, I mean, you can get away with this being a highlighter. Next up, we have a product from the Beauty Crop, and this is the Balm. It's a lip and cheek balm and color. This retails for £18, which it's quite a bit for a lip balm. This is how it looks like. It's a really nice packaging, I have to say, because it has like little palm trees on the side, and it says Palm Balm all over the place. Just cute packaging. This is in the shade Mauve Wave, and it's a lip and cheek pot. There, that's the name. This is the color that it is inside, which is a very nice pinky. I would say it's more of a blush kind of color, if that makes sense. It reminds me a lot of the color of the NARS Orgasm. It seems very moisturizing and nice at the touch. It's a very pinky tone, which I love for a balm. Okay, the next product we have is the Naobay Natural and Organic Orange Juice Hand Cream, which is very nicely packaged. It has a wooden lid, which I think is the first time I've seen this, and I'm living for natural stuff. This gives such a bamboo kind of feeling to it, which I love. So again, this is a regenerative hand cream, and it retails for £11.50. Oh, this smells so freaking nice. If you know the Ole Henriksen serums and creams and stuff like that, that smell is in this cream. Excuse me while I sniff my hand for the next half an hour. Okay, so the very last product of today's box is a Korean face sheet mask, which is from Kocostar, and this is the Slice Mask Sheet, and in the fragrance of a watermelon. Please tell me what else says better summer vibes than a fresh watermelon. I love watermelon in the summertime. It's just the best refreshing thing that you can find. I will not test it out because I have makeup on, obviously, but I would enjoy this on a Saturday night for like self-care and pampering. So I will not open it up. However, I can show you how the mask looks like, because in the back it's a transparent packaging and you can see the actual mask underneath, and this is so cute because it has like little watermelon slices on it. I'm living for this. This is literally so cute. If you guys haven't tried Korean skincare before, I would kindly suggest you do so. They are so hyped up with a reason. They are so advanced at their level of skincare and the ingredients that they're putting into their products, and everybody is raving about it because they're so freaking good. So if you haven't tried them out before, I would suggest to creep into that kind of community with a face mask and then level on depending how much you enjoy and what else skin concerns you are having. But I would definitely suggest trying them out, at least for a few weeks. This month they kept it very lightweight, let's say, the box, but I do enjoy the quality of the products that were inside, and I think I'm going to use them a lot. Well, the face mask I'm only going to use just once, but you know what I mean. I think it's a very good quality. Some of the products I wouldn't purchase outside of the Glossybox. However, it's a really great deal to have them in the box, so thank you Glossybox for that. That being said, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join me on Instagram at amewnition. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and sticking around with me here on YouTube today. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!